Are you on the road and you need connectivity in your hotel room or just when you're out on the show floor trying to get some work done in a coffee shop? This is the OWC USB-C Travel Dock. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. I've been testing this out on a couple of road trips and it comes in really handy. It's small, it's compact, it has a built-in USB-C cable. So when you're ready to use it, you pop it out, you plug this in. I've been using it with the MacBook Pro 16-inch. You can use it with other devices. I like that this cable just folds right up to store, and then you have a really nice package that you can slide into your bag and have that there so you can kind of get a look at what that storage looks like. With this, we have a variety of connectivity options. We have USB, we have a SD card slot, which is great if you need to offload some video or some photos. This is USB-C, so I can charge my laptop by plugging in here, and it goes through this cable to my laptop so that I don't lose any power while I'm working. And then I have another USB as well as HDMI out, so I'm going to be able to connect my laptop to monitors, projectors, the hotel room TV, basically anything I need to extend my screen. And the kicker, this little bad boy, is $54.99 at OWC. So a lot of value, a lot of ports, super compact. It's designed for travel, so you don't have to worry about having something bulky or something that's not going to hold up. This has held up really well. Taken it on several trips with me. I just throw it in my bag. I don't really worry about it. It's very reliable, very durable, and I like that the cable is included. I actually like this style a little bit better than some of the options that plug in to and cover two USB-C ports on the side. While those are cool and they have a place, when I'm traveling, I don't want to worry about something breaking off or something coming down on that and damaging either the dock or my MacBook Pro. So if you are looking for a cool travel accessory for your MacBook Pro that uses USB-C, or if you have another USB-C device, this is something you definitely need to check out. We'll have links down in the description below. They're affiliate links, so if you make a purchase through there, helps us out, it doesn't cost you anything. It's a good way to support the channel. If you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and check out some of the other videos. I just shared one of my other favorite travel accessories, which is a car charger that has enough juice to charge my 16-inch MacBook Pro. So spoiler alert, it's pretty amazing and it's only $30. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and enjoy your travels.